So here we go. Three pieces. I think 2 are from one of the ribs, and the other one is from the other one. So you take your pick, which one you want. Okay. Flies are everywhere. Hopefully they don't get on camera. Nothing more unappetizing than seeing flies everywhere.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So then, yeah, you make sure you get a good bite on that, so you can really show off the pull test. Sorry, bite test or whatever. There you go.
That's tender.
Yeah.
Bites off very easy.
There you go. Clean off the bone. Oh, perfect.
It's smiling. Look at him smiling. That's good.
This is supposed to be a very quick, simple video. How to do barbecue ribs, St. Louis style cut ribs on the barbecue. I did not intend to actually have them be St. Louis style cut. The butcher totally destroyed the first package I opened. I was like, well, okay, guess we're doing these St. Louis style. So that's what it was. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I did wait a little too long. We were playing a game inside. The ribs got a little cold. They were wrapped up in aluminum foil. It allowed them to rest on us just a little bit before trying them. It's okay, get them. It's just a little bug. Actually, that's a pretty big bug.
Oh my gosh.
That's kind of big. Anyway, we'll stay free of all the wasps that we got around here right now. Oh, man, he is feisty. We're doing something. I think he's gone, kiddo. Hey, you're getting your rib juice all over your new shirt.
So? Let's wash it off.
Okay, just wash it off. There you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Stay safe. Remember to remember for why we have the freedoms that we do. That's for the sacrifices who the men and women who have gone before us. Thank you to that. And keep barbecuing, America. Have a great day. Cheers.
Won't this come out after Memorial Day weekend?
No, we'll put it out tomorrow.
Oh.
We're gonna,
So Saturday.
Yeah, we'll put it on Saturday.
Shoot.